Chapter 1, Reproduction in Organism. Reproduction is the fundamental feature in all organisms. It's a biological process. It helps to produce the young ones. Now we see the mode of reproduction. Children, all mode of reproduction have some basic features such as synthesis of RNA, protein, replication of DNA, cell division, growth, and so on. So these are all basic features for all mode of reproduction. Now, the reproduction consists asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, and parthenogenesis. Now we are going to see asexual reproduction. Definition for asexual reproduction. This kind of reproduction, only single parent participate without the involvement of gamete formation. Now what is gamete? Sperm and ovum are gametes. Again I am saying asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means here single parent is participate and without the involvement of gametes. That is asexual reproduction. It takes place in all the lower organisms. For example, Protista, bacteria, archaea. Next, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, both the parents involved here and also gametes, sperm and ovum, both are involved here. Again, sexual reproduction definition. Two parents, male and female parents participate and gametes are involved, sperm and ovum are involved. This is sexual reproduction. This takes place in higher organism. Now let's see asexual reproduction first. Asexual reproduction also has different modes of reproduction. They are fission, sporulation, budding, gemule formation, fragmentation, and regeneration. Children, in the asexual reproduction, fission I am going to teach at very first. Fission. Fission is splitting of the parent body into two or more identical daughters. Fission means splitting or division of the parent body into two or more identical daughter individuals. That is fission. Fission also has different type. What are they? Binary fission, multiple fission, sporulation, stropulation. Okay. Now, binary fission. What is binary fission? The organism divide into two halves. Each half forms daughter individual. That is binary fission. Children, depending upon the plane of fission, the binary fission itself, following types. What are they? Simple irregular binary fission, transverse binary fission, longitudinal binary fission, oblique binary fission. Now first, simple binary fission. We could see this in amoeba because it is an irregular shaped organism. Now, first nucleus divide and it is followed by cytoplasmic simple binary fission. First, nucleus is divide. See the picture. I request you all to see the picture. Now, nucleus is elongated. Now, the nucleus is divided into two, and the nucleus division is followed by cytoplasmic division. Now, two young amoebas are formed. This one we could see in binary fission. Next, transverse binary fission. This takes place in paramecium and planaria. Okay. Now, macromolecules and micromolecules are present here. Macromolecules divide by amitosis and micromolecules divide by mitosis. Okay, see the picture, children. In the picture, we could see macromolecules and micromolecules. Both are elongated, children. Next, both of them divide into two. And by the way, these macromolecules and micromolecules form two young paramecium. Okay, that is transverse binary fission. Next, longitudinal binary fission. This takes place in Vorticella and Euglena. Children, see the picture. I ask you all to see the picture. It has basal granule on the top. Okay, that basal granule gradually divide into two. Okay, now the two basal granules form a flagellum. By the way, daughter individual is formed. Okay, that is longitudinal binary fission. Last, oblique binary fission. It is a plan of division in oblique, children. This is we could see in dinoflagellate, that is Serratium. Understand, children? Once again, I want to recall all this. First, asexual reproduction. It consists fission, budding, fragmentation, regeneration, gemelle formation, so and so. Now, fission itself divided into many types: binary fission, multiple fission, sporulation, and stropulation. Okay, binary fission itself different types. What are the? Simple binary fission, transverse binary fission, longitudinal binary fission, and oblique binary fission. I think you could have understand all these things. Next, we will see multiple fission. Multiple fission we could see in Plasmodium and Vorticella. Vorticella. Definition for multiple fission. The parent divided into many similar daughter cells. Multiple means many. So the parent divided into many similar daughter cells simultaneously. So in this, first nucleus is divided into many small pits without cytoplasm. Later, cytoplasm also divided into many pits. Now, the cytoplasm surround each nucleus. Okay, when the condition is favor, now it's liberated and the young ones is formed. This is called repeated fission. We could see in Vorticella. In Plasmodium also multiple fission occur. How it is happen in Plasmodium? In the schizont and oocyte stage, it is happened. In multiple fission occurs in the schizont, the process is called schizogony. and the daughter individual is called merozoites. So the daughter individual is called sporozoites. This is happen in Plasmodium. Likewise, the same thing is happen in amoeba also. How it is happen in amoeba during unfavorable condition? What is unfavorable condition? The increase or decrease in temperature or scarcity of food. The amoeba withdraw its pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means legs, and secrete a 3-layered protective chitinous cyst, that is layer around it. Okay, now it's become in inactive condition. This phenomenon only is called as encystment. When the condition is favorable, this encystment break the wall and liberate the young amoebas. This is called amoebulae or pseudopodiospore. Next, stropilation. Stropilation is occur in some metazoan animals. How it is happen? This is by transverse fission. So the transverse fission occurs simultaneously and give rise to a number of individuals. So the picture you could see in 1.5, in the book 1.5. I ask you to refer the picture. Here plastotomy is happen. The plastotomy is happen in Aurelia animal. What happened? The parent divide. The multinucleate parent divide, and multinucleate daughter cells, individuals are produced. Later only nuclear division is happen. This nuclear division maintain the normal number of nuclei. The plasmotomy is occur in Opalina and Plomyza, giant amoeba. Okay, children, I think you could understand the plasmotomy. Plasmotomy, multinucleate parent divided into multinucleate daughter individuals. Later only nuclear divisions happen. It's maintain the normal number of nucleus. Okay. Next, the same sporulation is also takes place in amoeba like Aurelia. How it is happen here? The amoeba multiply by sporulation. Now we are seeing about sporulation, isn't so? Yeah. Now the amoeba without encystment. Already we have seen encystment in amoeba. Here also in the amoeba without encystment, if it is happen, it is called sporulation. With the encystment, it is called as multiple fission. Understand, children? With the encystment, the amoeba with the encystment, it breaks the walls, means multiple fission. Without encystment, it's produced, that is sporulation. I think you can differentiate the multiple fission and sporulation happen in amoeba. Now, sporulation in amoeba, the nucleus breaks into several small fragments. Each fragments develop into nuclear membrane, and around it is surrounded by cytoplasm. Now it's developed as a spore case around it. When the condition becomes favorable, the parent disintegrates all the spores, and the spores are liberated. Each spores catch into a young amoeba. Now, next heading, budding. So far, we have studied about fission, binary fission, multiple fission, stropilation, sporulation.